In this video, I'll be showing you how to make a YouTube channel on Samsung phone. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. But anyways, getting into it, it's very easy to do this. Now, creating a YouTube channel on a Samsung device is a streamlined process integrated directly into the Android interface. So what you want to do is open up your YouTube application, then on the bottom right, go ahead and tap your profile picture. Now, tap on your name or email at the top of the screen, and then you're going to have to go ahead and select create a channel. If you're already on an account that doesn't have one, then you're going to have to go ahead and make a new Gmail account. Then once you go here, you can make a channel on a Gmail account that isn't existing. It's going to ask you what picture you want, what name, what handle, anything like that. So for example, if I went to edit channel right here, you're going to be able to change all of these different things however you want to, which is going to be very nice. So you can customize your channel however you want. Even if it is just a personal one, you can have your own name, profile picture, and banner as well. Yeah, it's as simple as that. Now, if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe, and check out all the other tutorials on the channel as well, because there is a lot to go through.